How to fix YouTube MiniPlayer turns off for my YouTube video. If you have a channel, you post videos and you cannot play your videos in MiniPlayer mode, the reason this is because you have enabled content made for kids for your videos, which you have to disable it. Now, if it is indeed made for kids, then there's nothing that you can do about it. But if it is not for kids, then you can change that setting. In order to do so, you can tap on the U icon from the bottom right, make sure that you are in that channel and go to the View Channel option. From View Channel, you want to go to this option called Videos. Now you'll see a list of your videos. You want to tap the three dots next to a certain video and tap on the Edit button. Over here, you can see the Audience option. Tap on Audience. Your video could be set to yes, it's made for kids. That's why the MiniPlayer will not be enabled for such videos. But if it's not made for kids, tap on No, it's not made for kids. You can also turn off age restriction if you want to, and then make sure to tap the Save button from the top right, and you can repeat this for all of the other videos that is having this issue. I hope that this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. As always, thank you for watching and see you soon in our next video.